Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Mastering Citrix Provisioning Services course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. Over the last many years, I worked on Citrix Provisioning Services environments and I have gained good knowledge on how to work effectively in the Citrix production PVS environments. So, if you are someone who has good experience working in IT, or if you are someone who has good understanding of Citrix products, or if you are someone who is already working in some Citrix environments and you would like to learn Citrix provisioning services, this course is for you. In this course, I have covered the installation of Citrix provisioning services, the configuration of Citrix provisioning services, troubleshooting Citrix provisioning servers, and creating VDIS, updating VDIS, and you will also learn how to troubleshoot the most common issues that you will come across in the Citrix production PVS environments. By the end of the course, you will have complete knowledge on how to work effectively in the Citrix production PVS environments. So I am really looking forward to meeting you in the course. So please hit the enroll now button. I will see you in the course. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.